नमस्कार, यूएसएन विशेष में आप सभी का स्वागत है। मैं हूं आपका होस्ट एनवी शर्मा। अगर आज भारत की पीढ़ी की बात करें हम, तो फिर ये एक एडवांस्ड पीढ़ी है और इनके पास अपने आइडियोलॉजीज, अपने एम्स, अपने सपने, सब कुछ ये साकार लेके चलते हैं। और इसी वजह से शायद ये एक उभरता हुआ भारत जो है, इसमें एक उम्मीद की किरण नज़र आ रही कि न केवल एक किसी पर्टिकुलर फील्ड तक सीमित है, बल्कि एक ऑलराउंड एक्टिविटीज़ की तरफ भी इनका एक रुख है। आज के हमारे विशेष मेहमान हैं सनी मैदनकर, जो एक मॉडल तो है ही, अलावा इनके बहुत फ्यूचर एम्स भी है और उसके बारे में हम डिस्कस करेंगे। लेकिन सबसे पहले मैं उनको ग्रीट करता हूँ। हेलो सनी एंड वेलकम टू दिस शो।
थैंक यू सो मच।
सनी, ये बताइए कि हाउ डिड यू टेक दिस रूट ऑफ मॉडलिंग एंड फैशन एंड एक्टिंग?
आई डिडंट चोज इट अप एक्चुअली। मैंने लाइक आई हैवंट रिसीव्ड इट और आई हैवंट ड्रीम्ड अबाउट इट एनीवेयर। जस्ट आई स्टार्टेड बिकॉज ऑफ समवन एंड दैट इज अ स्पेशल पर्सन in my life. She is my sister. She is my younger sister. So she started first modeling and the organizing team of the show which she did. तो उन्होंने मुझे like they suggested me कि you should participate in it and you have the qualities. So I said okay, I am the person who like to explore things. So I just started and I just thought कि मुझे try करना चाहिए. So I tried it and that was my first show, Mr. Vidarbha Talent Icon, and I won it at the first time. And that's how I started. And I haven't dreamt about कि मैंने पहले से सोच के रखा था. It is not like that. Like a sprinkle incident we say, that happened with me and I just started up with it.
So basically you were inspired by your sister.
Yeah, you can say that, but I am not, like I said na, कि I haven't dreamt about it कि I will do or I will go to modeling. I just thought कि my sister is there and I used to dress her and I used to मैं उसके dresses design करते रहता हूँ and I do her makeup too. So वैसे ही उन्होंने मुझे like suggested me and I just said कि okay, I'll try in it and I just started off with it.
Yeah. So looking at your locks, I got two different thoughts when I saw you. नंबर एक कि आपकी सिस्टर से आप इंस्पायर हो गए इसलिए आपने हेयर लंबा कर दिया,
नहीं, not like
या
that.
बार्बर शॉप्स कोविड के कारण बंद थे इसलिए इट वेंट ऑन ग्रोइंग?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. आई लाइक लॉन्ग हेयर बट हमारे स्कूल में वी आर नॉट अलाउड. सो एज आई एम टीन, आई एम स्टडिंग इन क्लास 12, तो आई एम नॉट अलाउड टू कीप लॉन्ग हेयर. बट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस लॉकडाउन आई taken up the chance and I growed it up.
But nobody objected in your school?
No one objected because everyone knows that I do the things, I do such things. So no one.
So you're a special case. आप एक special identity हो स्कूल में. चलो, we'll go move further. आपने कई सारे modeling events में participate किया.
Yeah.
We'll start from Nagpur Fashion Week.
No, I started from Mr. Vidarbha Talent Icon.
Vidarbha Talent.
Yeah, that was on, I remember the date, 26th September. I started from that and then I got up to, like I thought I can do more in this. So I just got it to and I just started doing the next events also.
Tell us something about that Vidarbha Icon.
I told it first, जैसे उन्होंने मुझे suggest किया, so that was a proud moment for me when I won the competition. I was known as Mr. Vidarbha Icon after that. So I started looking for other events and many events started inviting me in the shows. So then I did Mr. Nagpur Majmua. Then I participated in Mr. HB India, which was taken in New Delhi. That was a national level competition. Around that, only 55 participants from Mr. category was taken over there from all over India. So I was one of them. I was the luckiest one, I think.
Yeah, it's a big achievement.
Yeah, and more than it, I am a teen, and every title which I have are in Mr. category.
Okay.
So that is the thing. I think I am very proud of.
एक कॉमन फैक्टर, क्योंकि ये कार्यक्रम कई सारे टीनेजर्स देख रहे हैं, कई सारे यंग पीपल देख रहे हैं इसको, तो एक कॉमन क्राइटेरिया बताइए कि इन सब फैशन शोज़ में, मॉडलिंग में वगैरह क्या क्या फीचर्स परखी जाती है जिससे कि आप उस पोजीशन में, उस स्टेटस में स्टैंड हो सकते हो?
There is not only one feature, or I can't do count features.
But the major.
Yeah, I'm telling it. Actually, the thing is कि major features which are seen is first thing is your walk. How do you walk? How do you represent your style? How do you represent your fashion which you are wearing? And many things like that. And also, how do you speak? How do you express yourself? How do you express your life? How do you inspire? How do you inspire yourself? How can you inspire other peoples by you? And there are many factors like this. And the major factor I said ki is walk. And how do you give your introduction? How do you represent yourself in front of others?
How do you carry yourself?
Yeah, not like carry yourself. How do you represent yourself in front of others?
सो जस्ट वांटेड टू नो कि एक पर्टिकुलर ट्रेनिंग सेशन से गुजरना पड़ता है आपको, या फिर बाद में इट्स जस्ट नेचुरल दैट कम्स टू यू?
Actually, in the first time, I wasn't knowing about what is there or what is going to be there in that. So हमारी groomings होती है पहले, how is the show is going to be, and we are given a sequence. How do you want to walk and how do you have to do such things?
So you have any coach sort of person?
Every event we have a coach sort of person which is known as a groomer, and he tells or she tells us ki, how to have a sequence in your walk, like who will come first, who will go back, and like what is the sequence in the walk, and that is the first thing which is told. And grooming, it's up to you that how do you groom yourself, or you want any other groomer.
सनी, एक बात मैं जनरली इस किस्म के शोज़ जब देखता हूँ या फिर बाद में मॉडलिंग इवेंट्स देखता हूँ, तो एक बात समझ में आती है कि यू हैव टू कैरी योरसेल्फ, एंड एक पर्सनैलिटी होती है दैट इम्प्रेसेस वेरी मच. लेकिन वाई डू यू वेयर अ ब्लैंक फेस जहाँ भी जाते हो? देयर इज़ नो स्माइल, बड़े सीवियर दिखते हो आप लोग, क्या कारण है इसके?
कारण ये है कि फैशन शोज की अगर बात करें हम, रनवे शोज की, तो आप ये बात देख सकते हो. अदरवाइज जब हम पेजेंट्स करते हैं या फिर पेजेंट्स में आप लोगों को देखते हो तो दे एक्सप्रेस देयर सेल्फ, तो वहाँ पे वी डोंट हैव मच रिस्ट्रिक्शंस. बट व्हेन वी डू रनवे शोज वी हैव टू रिप्रेजेंट द डिजाइंस व्हिच वी आर वेयरिंग. So that's why our only focus is on ki how can we represent ourselves, our designs which we are wearing. So that's why it is not shown much smile or like that which we are saying. Actually वो ऐसा होता है कि हमें अपना स्टाइल जो हमने पहना है वो रिप्रेजेंट करना है, अलग फैशन में उसको डेवलप करना है. So
इट्स नॉट जस्ट अ सिंगल केस आई एम टेलिंग, बट आमतौर पे जो फैशन शोज देखते हैं हम लोग, तो काफ़ी सीरियस लुक रहता हूँ.
नॉट सीरियस लुक, दैट इज अ लुक व्हिच वी आर गिवन. एक्चुअली जैसे हम अगर ट्रेडिशनल पहन रहे हैं, सो वी हैव अ गुड स्माइल.
सो यू कैन एक्सप्रेस योरसेल्फ.
या वी कैन एक्सप्रेस आवरसेल्फ बाय आवर थीम. वी डोंट हैव एनी रेस्ट्रिक्शंस अबाउट इट. बट कैसा होता है कि अगर हम इंडियन पहन रहे हैं या फिर कॉस्ट्यूम्स जो हमें गिवन है या एथनिक, तो हम अगर वेस्टर्न पहन रहे हैं तो हमें वी आर नॉट सपोज्ड टू स्माइल मच. We are not supposed to express it like we are wearing Indian, so it will not match to your fashion which you are wearing. That's why it is shown like that.
इस स्टूडियो में मैंने कई सारे मॉडल्स के और फैशन एंड डिज़ाइनर्स है उनका इंटरव्यू लिया मैंने, और यू आर ऑल्सो वन ऑफ देम नाउ. लेकिन जानना चाहता हूँ कि जनरली जब लेडीज़ शो होता है तो उसमें when their names are announced as a winner or a runner up or something, तो एक अजीब सा एक्सप्रेशन हो जाता है उनका, एंड दे आर सरप्राइज है ये इस किस्म का एक ये होता है, एंड आंखें रेस करके वगैरह. तो ये तो उनकी एक पिक्युलरिटी है. मेरा सवाल ये रहता है उनको कि क्या यू आर शॉक्ड कि भाई मैं कैसे सेलेक्ट हो गई, या यू आर टू कॉन्फिडेंट, क्या होता है इसमें?
I don't know about them.
But what about gents?
Yeah, about gents, I don't. I am a particular person about myself. First of all, and मैं हमेशा खुद के लिए ज़्यादा सोचता हूँ. Other than everyone, I also मतलब दूसरों के लिए भी सोचना चाहिए, but I think first priority is to be given to you, and तो मैं वही करता हूँ. और मेरा ऐसा रहता है कि I should not look a weird thing in the show or weird thing in the pageant. So I am not very confident, but I am like disabled about it कि होगा तो भी okay है, not done, so I have to improve about myself. So I think about this, and if I am selected, so I am not like बहुत ज़्यादा weird में expressions. No, I don't give that. I am like a particular person.
But generally gents किस किस्म का look wear करते हैं ऐसे नहीं? Suppose your name is announced, कई सारे हैं, नागपुर फैशन, महाराष्ट्र ग्लैमर.
Not much smile or like the females which we see.
It's just a normal
smile, and if someone is much excited, then he can do dance over it. I don't know. But I don't do that such things, and I just go through it कि मैं यही सोचता हूँ कि अगर I am selected, so I have some qualities and I have presented it quietly, so I have to be confident and I don't have to be confident. Both the things are there. So मेरा ऐसा good smile I give and I just take my prize.
What about your parents? किस किस्म का रिएक्शन था उनका when you decided to enter this field? तो उन्होंने अपोज किया, कोऑपरेट किया, किस किस्म की बातें हुई?
No, they are very cooperative to me. I can't take any one thing from them कि like this is not cooperative or they are saying no to this. They are always particular and
मतलब काफी ब्रॉड माइंडेड है कि भाई लड़का जो करना चाहता है करे वो.
Yeah, actually they know that I do explore things and I do think about myself. I do think about society. I do think about them. So I can't do much a thing that will shame on them or like anything. So they have much confidence on me and they say कि okay, what do you want to do, but focus on your studies. first. This is this one.
तो आप कैसे बैलेंस कैसे कर लेते हो आप? मेरे को एक तरफ स्टडीज़ है, एकेडमिक्स है, और बाद में एक तरफ ये जो हॉबी है आपकी।
ऐसा कोई स्पेशल तो केस नहीं है।
अभी तो ठीक है क्योंकि अभी कोविड के कारण ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चल रहे हैं, अगर यू कैन समहाउ मैनेज, बट आमतौर पे जैसे क्या फ्यूचर में क्या आपका ये रहेगा, हाउ टू बैलेंस दिस?
Yeah, balancing is one thing which is very much bigger task to you actually I think, and वही ज़्यादा बड़ा टास्क था मेरे लिए हमेशा से, and I couldn't focus on my studies much if I say frankly. I have
Because
made
you
a
have
proper
24 hours को आप कैसे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर लेते हो? मतलब स्टडीज के लिए इतना, मॉडलिंग के लिए इतना, प्रैक्टिस सेशंस के लिए इतना, ऐसा?
yeah, actually मैंने कभी practice sessions किए ही नहीं। If I say frankly,
It comes to you naturally.
Yeah, I do my natural things which are there. If people like or if people don't like, I used to give my 100% and I think that people should like it.
तो
So
आप
I used to do that.
जी, आप इसको एक प्रोफेशन के रूप में आगे चेंज करना चाहते हो, या फिर बाद में ये सिर्फ एक शौक है, हॉबी है, इस वजह से कर रहे हो आप?
Not a thing. I think ये प्रोफेशन भी हो सकता है,
हाँ।
या फिर डी प्रोफेशन भी हो सकता है. It can be anything, but whatever you want to do it. So I think profession which I have selected is my profession up till now, and also again afterwards. But still, I want to focus on my studies. Academic career is also important, I think,
and it will be
that is
helpful
very
also.
important.
Yeah.
That is actually as I told कि I like to explore things. I like to explore much things. So मुझे studies में भी explore करना अच्छा लगता है. My favorite subject is physics. So I used to explore about it also. And मेरा यही रहता है कि दोनों जगह पे balancing focus रहे, and दोनों भी बहुत ज़्यादा important है. Career is also important, profession is also important, and academics is much important than that. I
Right,
think so.
right.
So I used to manage both, and I think both I can do.
One thing that inspired me from you is that you should take your mistakes as a blessings and not as a curse.
Yeah.
That you're doing, because you learn from your mistakes,
Yeah,
and then
actually.
you can achieve perfection. Any international models who inspire you?
I don't look after models. जैसे हम बात करें तो I don't look after models or anything like कि मुझे
inspire
इंस्पायर
होना।
करता है, नहीं, nothing like that. I told you ना, I inspire by myself, and I try to keep my eye on myself. तो मैं ज़्यादा खुद को फोकस करता हूँ. That is the thing. I just don't look after many models. तो ज़्यादा confusing हो जाता है. जैसे like if we go to a shop and if we saw much clothes, तो हम बहुत ज़्यादा confused हो जाएंगे कि कौन सा we have to select. So that is my thinking कि आप एक select करो and particularly think about
Pursue that.
Yeah.
Any future aims or dreams?
Future aims, I am always active on my Instagram, always active on my social media, and I used to keep on watch on my public, and I used to keep on my audience. So my future plan is to, I see myself doing a good popular movie after that, and also I think a good popular person which is known for his not for his only personality, for his goodness and for a politeness of him. And I think I can be a better person, and I can be a role model for someone.
Very
that is
nice,
the
very
thing.
nice. And what message would you like to give to the audience?
Audience, first of all, support me, and also I want to thank everyone who have supported me on my social media. Also, who is always supporting me. They also see me on YouTube or many such videos, or many such Instagram videos, reels, mods, and everything I used to do. So thank you for that. Also जो लोग मुझे सिंगिंग में भी अच्छा देखना चाहते हैं, जो मुझे इंस्पायर करते हैं सिंगिंग के लिए भी, so thank you for that also. And also I want to give message कि stay safe, first of all. That is the priority now, and stay happy, stay positive. That is the only message I can give everyone.
Thank you so much. It was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.